Hey everyone, refreshing Airtable can mean a few different things depending on what you're trying to update. I'll walk you through the common methods so you can find what works for your situation. The most common thing you'll need is a standard browser refresh. Airtable automatically saves all changes in real time, so refreshing your browser just reloads the page to show the latest updates from collaborators. On Windows or Linux, press F5 or Ctrl plus R. On Mac, press Command plus R. You can also click the circular refresh icon in your browser's address bar. The page reloads briefly, you'll see a quick flash or loading indicator, then displays the current state of your base. Any updates from collaborators will now be visible. If a normal refresh doesn't work and the view still looks outdated or broken, try a hard refresh. This clears your browser cache and forces it to fetch fresh data from Airtable's servers. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus F5 or Ctrl plus Shift plus R. On Mac with Chrome or Firefox, press Command plus Shift plus R. On Safari, try Command plus Option plus R. The page reloads usually a bit slower than a standard refresh, and stubborn UI glitches or layout issues should now be resolved. Still seeing issues? If you're working with a synced table, you'll need to manually pull the latest data from the source base. Look for the table with a lightning bolt icon next to its name in the left sidebar. Click the drop-down arrow next to that table's name, then click Sync Now. The table will update, and you'll see an All Changes Saved message when the sync completes. The synced table now displays the latest data from the source. Another thing, to check if newly created fields aren't showing up in the interface editor, the interface might not have loaded the latest field list. In Interface Designer, open the interface in edit mode by clicking the three-dot menu, then Edit Interface. Click out of the Record Detail page configuration and navigate back to it. You can also close and reopen the interface in edit mode entirely. New fields should now appear in the Interface Builder's field selection options. The last thing, if you're viewing a shared Airtable view and the data looks outdated, shared views don't refresh automatically. Just refresh the browser page using F5, Ctrl plus R, or Command plus R. The shared view reloads and displays the most current data from the base. If data still appears outdated after trying these methods, check your internet connection or contact Airtable support. Thanks for watching.